Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using a gift card on Coinbase, focusing on the specific method that works. While you cannot directly use a general prepaid gift card, Coinbase offers its own dedicated gift cards. These special cards provide a straightforward path to funding your account and acquiring cryptocurrency. It's a simple, secure process once you understand the correct approach, allowing you to easily convert your gift card value into digital assets. To begin, you'll need to acquire a Coinbase gift card. These are readily available from several reputable online marketplaces, such as G2A or Aneba. You can often find cards with values ranging from $25 up to $250, offering flexibility. Payment options for purchasing these gift cards are quite flexible, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes even other cryptocurrencies, making them accessible for many. Once you have your Coinbase gift card, log into your Coinbase account, either on the website or through the mobile app. On the website, navigate to Settings, then Payment Methods. If using the mobile app, look for Profile and Settings or the Add Cash option. Select Gift Card, then carefully enter the unique card number and PIN. The entire value of your gift card will then be instantly credited to your Coinbase USD balance, ready for use. Now that your Coinbase account is funded with your gift card balance, buying Bitcoin is a very simple process. Head to the Buy/Sell section of the platform. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the exact amount you wish to purchase, review all the transaction details carefully, and then confirm your order. Your newly acquired Bitcoin will appear in your portfolio almost instantly, ready for you to manage as you see fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.